This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show you how to make marshmallow popcorn balls. First, ensure you have 6 cups of freshly popped popcorn, free of any unpopped kernels. Next, measure out 1/4 cup of butter and 4 cups of mini marshmallows. These simple ingredients are the foundation of our delicious treat. Also, have a large mixing bowl ready and some non-stick cooking spray nearby. This preparation makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now, let's get that gooey goodness ready. In a large saucepan, melt 1/4 cup of butter over low heat. Once the butter is fully melted, add 4 cups of mini marshmallows. Stir this mixture constantly until the marshmallows are completely smooth and fully melted. It's crucial to keep the heat low to prevent burning. As soon as it's smooth, remove the pan from the heat to stop the cooking process. Time to bring it all together. Carefully pour the warm, melted marshmallow mixture over your 6 cups of popped popcorn in the large bowl. Using a spatula, gently but thoroughly stir until every piece of popcorn is evenly coated with the sweet, sticky goodness. Next, lightly spray your hands with non-stick cooking spray. This prevents sticking. Now, form the mixture into individual popcorn balls, aiming for a size of about 2 to 3 inches in diameter. Almost there. Once your popcorn balls are formed, place them on wax paper or parchment paper. This prevents them from sticking to your counter. Allow them to cool completely for at least 30 minutes at room temperature. As they cool, they will firm up, becoming perfectly chewy and ready to enjoy. These delightful treats are wonderful for parties or a simple snack. Store any leftovers in an airtight container to maintain their freshness for several days.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.